awesome inventory of hard-to-find, quality used vehicles. Here for you, custom financing is just that. Financing designed to fit your family budget. Instant delivery, bring me your old painful ride and drive home.
Didn't stay around at Hudson. He ran out the back door and jumped the fence. But when he landed on the other side, his left leg curled under him and he went down. All the cops had to do was follow the sounds of his screaming. By the time he made it to county later that night, the knee had swollen up like a watermelon. He didn't get treated till the next day, and by then, years at school, before a combination of academic and disciplinary probation got him booted off the team. And he had good memories of running. Once, they'd gone up to Gatlin to run in a district meet. Gatlin was surrounded by pine forests, and their cross-country course took them through 2 miles of dense tree cover. The dirt trail.
Hey, watch out.
Oh. Shit, man. What's going on? Where are my shoes?
That fucking...
He's a bad you believer just trying to buy somebody. Wow. Alrighty then.
向右转。
From the Reagan administration. This is a guy who says that he's really, really careful about classified documents. I'm having a hard time with this. So, according to NBC News, the documents at those Wilmington, Delaware home, they are related to the time of government. They were found